He's here. Go. Ni si Jowa. Jowa pala. Where's my grave? Oh, sorry guys. Grave. Stop. Boom. Stop. And how? That's water cannon. Bro, where can I place this? Right here? Nope. By the way guys, this is not my garden. It's my another garden. Like, wanna see my garden? I'll show it. Guys, get ready to see your eyes. My real garden. This is my real garden. Oh, gotta wait 2 minutes. No. Mango and the lily. My first mango and Ember Lily in the first and the second. Go. Now Jingo's the best mango. Jingo's the best. Yo, what the? Yo! Jingo, if you see this, I love you. 9 years old, by the way, 9 years old. It's about to update, guys. Jump now. Yo. Ooh. Yo. What is he climbing? Mami? Ano yung nakakit niya? Mami nga. Master Sprinkler! Tatlo. Grabe man. Na! Pew 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 pew. Mango? Again? Mango. Bruh. 4 mangoes? Nah, Jesus needs to chill, man. I got 9 mangoes right now. Fine cone again! Gonna use this for my other garden. Bojang, don't kill, man, chill. They don't reach the chill point, man. Nah, bro, needs to chill. Trouble. My bad food. Oh. What the? Yo! How that? All the bad roots. Get! 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 I said get! Get out! Burning boss again! Sugar apple. Bruh. Beanstalk. The cow. Let's get it. Supplement. Got the jingle. I'ma take it to the Travis. Thanks, Travis. Bad roots. Get out! Get out! Get out. My bad food. But I need 8. I need 12. Yo, W update, man. Bro. What? What? Yo! Let's go home. Let's go! We got it, guys! We got it! Let's go! We got it! We got it! Hey. Yo, why? Can I see? No, I'm not gonna do that. Let's go! This garden is getting stuck right now. Wait, I forgot my cacao is there. Wait, I'm gonna shovel. Shovel that. Shovel this too. Get out! I do need some strawberries. But I just need a little bit of strawberries. Bro, let me shovel it. Let's collect it first. Let me shovel it. White one shovel. Yeah. I'm gonna keep it already. It's kinda good. Strawberries. Just kidding. I'm gonna keep my other strawberries. Just keep there. Bro, let me delete this. Come on! Good. Good. Let's delete this. I'm sorry. Tomato, I'm sorry too, man. In your corner, I don't need you anymore. Yo, this update is quick. Get out. Get out. Out of my way, man. Out of my way, trash root. No, I'm not gonna do that.
Tutulo tayo.
Pre, look at my cacao. Come here, man. Look at my cacao. Look. Look at my cacao. Look at my cacao seed. Bro. Am I dreaming or something? There's my football. Bro, I never seen my cacao like this. Bro, this is my biggest fruit right now.
Ay, speaking of kakao, mawala pala yun dito. Yung kakao to. Auto? Di ba meron lang dati? Kakao! Meron? Korea ba yan? Kakao!
Bro, if my classmates see this, they're going to freak out. I can't believe I put it right here. Bro! Where is my wrench roll? Wrench roll? Am I good or something? Am I good? W. Gentleman.
Ang unang ano daw, ang unang airport sa Caloocan? Caloocan? Grace Park, Caloocan?
Where's my watering can?
Ha?
There's my watering can, baby. Watering this kind of thing. My biggest cacao sin ever. Planting. Whoa! What the? Oh, the crop! The crop! No, Jadal, don't tell me you're.
Don't tell me you're gay.
Bro! Don't tell me you're evil now, please. Please, bro, please. Please. I don't want to get evil. You're innocent, Jadal, man.
Please, don't tell me you're a gay. You're
Bro.
gay, bro.
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 Bro, I'm getting rich right now. By Jadal. Bro, I wish this is on the garden. So Sorry guys. Sorry strawberries. Route 2. Let me collect it though. We're losing a lot of tomatoes now. Get off tomatoes, I'm sorry.
Kabisado niya na ang galawan ng kriminal. Bugol ka pa lang.
Kaplar, I'm sorry man.
Ito ang perfectong halimbawa.
What? Ako rin. Di ako matutulog. No! I almost shoveled my stock. No?
Hindi mo naman ginamit yung pamba?
Kaya kung sawa ka ng sapatos sa EDSA,
Let me.
Baka hindi ka, baka mahina ka pa rin yun ha. May football blossom na na.
Kung ikukumpara, kasing dings ito ng mga na flight hotel. Officer ang Alex Car. Kapag fully charged, may kapasidad ito sa layong 400 km. Malaki ang may binansagan itong biro dahil sa detection ng gamit na walang maniniwala.
Kamusta may yun, sorry.
Base sa mga turista,
Wait, no. Bruh. Ano? I'm sorry to buy mo ba? Ito kay J-Dog.
Natutunaw ang yelo ng lugar kung saan kailangan mo.
At least, they love the game. Right, guys? I'm not gonna end this video. 1 million for a grape? That's crazy. I mean, some strawberries, that's crazy, man. Did you see that, guys? Oh, let's collect it.
Bangkero ng bangka, bangkero ng
Oh. Guys, I'm doing this 30-minute stream. Come on, shower! I have more strawberries. Try to shovel it. So let's shovel it later. Shovel this tomato.
Princess Apit ang malo.
Get out.
Ibang pagdiriwang ang isinasagawa sa
No, it's hard to shovel. I'm trying to shovel it. I'm trying to click it. Don't work. Come on. Please! Paldo ka, pre?
Nililan na ako.
Lilim ka na?
Pagkamalo o ng palangitan ng masaganang ani sa dami.
Inyo. No. Why did I delete my burning bud? Accident, guys. Don't worry, guys. I have something to show to you. Bruh, can you see this, guys? Can you see this? Don't worry, man. I'm not gonna waste it. Why so hard to shovel the strawberries? Ouch.
Huwag ka mag-shovel. Ba't mo siya shovel?
Bubble from the ano? From the bad fruits.
Ano?
I don't like bad.
Kurap? Ayaw mo ng kurap?
I like rock.
Anong bad fruit? Bakit? Para saan?
From bad fruits. I have big mushroom now.
Ba't, ba't mo ilalagay good fruit mo?
Because I love good fruits.
Ba't yung mga bad fruit mo, ba't nilalagay mo sa pangalawang slot?
Anyways, guys, that was my cousin.
Hindi ka makakabili, hindi ka
Let me shovel this. I'm not gonna stop until I shovel
pwede mo
one.
upahan ng lupa, pero hindi mo ito pagmamayari. At ang
Come on.
maximum is 8 years.
Come on, man!
Pagtapos ng kontrata, back to government na
Come
ulit.
on!
Ano kaya masasabi ng
King.
mga video at sa
Come on, shovel it. I'm raging! I'm just gonna keep my strawberries. And the little. Can you get out? It's going to shovel someone. No! I need to shovel that, please.
Sa Oblong ay sa naibilig mga malaki ng China ay ang kanilang Beijing taxi.
I can shovel that.
Mas kilala ito bilang the Starfish
Here.
Hindi lang ito sa itsura bumibida. Ito rin ang pinakamalaking airport within sa buong mundo. Ang lawak ng paliparan ay 700,000 square meter. Katumbas yan ng 98 football fields.
Parang malaki ng airport na
Gawin sa 2014 at natapos noong 2019. Ganun sila kabilis. 5 taon lang ang construction ng airport para sa napakalaking proyekto. 40,000 manggagawa ang
What the?
ang kabuong nagastos sa construction ay
Pirate Road cost.
$605 billion.
Pre!
Ang
Naka-speaker!
gawa ng legendary architect na si Zaha Hadid na kilala sa mga structures na parang galing sa hinaharap. Ang paliparan ay may
Grabe yan, 5 years ang ginawa. Sa atin yung isang pagsada.
Yes, sir! Sprinkler! Hey! Papapa eh.
Kahit sa binansagan ng iba't ibang media outlets ang airport bilang isa sa top 10 wonders of the modern world. Ang Beijing Daxing International Airport ay hindi lang basta paliparan. Ito ay sumisimbolo sa ambisyon ng China na maging global leader sa pagdating sa aviation. Ang video na to ay hindi gamit sa movie o podcast. Ang pangalan ng lugar mas kilala sa tawag na 1,000 feet.
Ay, sa mga
Matatagpuan
movie.
ng mala science fiction building sa Shanghai, China. Hango ang disenyo ng may eco-friendly design. 400 calories. May paggalit, entertainment, restaurant at shopping center. Ang paligid dito ay may 25,000 halaman.
Ay!
Hindi
No!
na kailangang diligan ng mano-mano ang mga halaman dahil ang disenyo ng building ay may integrated watering system para makaturo na
Jingle is
maligan ang
back?
lahat ng halaman kahit walang manual
Jingle is
intervention.
back?
Ang sukat ng Sky Garden ay 300,000 square meters.
Bumalik si Jingle.
Matapos ang 8 years construction, binukas ito sa publiko noong 2021 at naging instant landmark ng Shanghai. Ang kabuuang gastos sa pagpapagawa ng walang futuristic na building ay 2.7 billion $156 million. Pero hindi lang ito para sa aesthetic basta ang layunin ng developers i-promote ang biodiversity at tulungan ang lungsod na magkaroon ng malinis at pwestong hangin. Sa panahon ng matataas na gusali at polusyon, ang Sky Garden 1,000 trees ay patunay na pwedeng pagsamahin ang modern architecture at kalikasan. Kung ang Singapore ay may iconic na Marina Bay Sands, ang China meron din kapital ng kahangahan building. Ayan ang Galaxy World na matatagpuan sa Shenzhen. Ang Galaxy World
Shenzhen
ay
lang
isang
pala eh.
multifunctional complex na
Alright guys, it's almost 20 minutes.
technology, shopping, at may mga high-end
Okay lang ba kung di ka pa rin
residential
lumakas?
at ang presyo, $2.8 billion o humigit kumulang 155 million pesos. Para pa itong pinagsaan ng tech hub at luxury lifestyle mall sa iisang gusali. Ang Galaxy World China ay pagkakulay na pagdating sa panggagaya, walang pagkakasama. Kung naghahanap ka ng medyo kakaibang romantic experience, bakit hindi mo subukan ang flying type sa Chongqing, China? Pero wag ka, hindi ito ordinary ride.
Ay!
Ito ay ginagawa na nilang 16th Charlie at Bakery sa tao.
Ang likod.
Habang hindi mo tinaglalapit ang pero syempre, yan ay pumatibay ang at may tiwala ka sa kanila na kung di ka ba, lahat yan makukuha mo sa Flying Kiss statue ng China. Tunay na kahanga-hanga ang tunay na pinapapailang lang sa kalagatan ng China. Tinatawag itong tumiyoy. Tama, ang dish ay gawa sa tatlong pinagpatong araw sa salamin. May laman na 5.1 sa tignan mo naman kahit kung sa pa ng maso. Tingnan. Kung sakaling magkaroon ng problema, huwag kayong mag-alala sa kaligtasan ko. Safe naman siguro siya pag nakukulong dahil sa helmet.
Travis Kelce.
Hindi mo lang gawin ang Uyek
Travis
noong
Kelce.
2017. Natapos noong 2020.
Hindi ko ano.
3 years construction para
Alright,
sa
guys,
Manila City Park.